I'm Jesse with Yuko, supply chain manager and resident food snob. I'm here to show you how to go beyond hot dogs and sticks and bring your gourmet lifestyle outdoors. So let's get started by making a classic glamping clams and linguine. The first thing to do is cover the clams in some very salty water. This will trick the clams into spitting out all of their sand and other gook. Next, we'll get our pot of water boiling. This is going to be for the pasta, so don't forget, salt your pasta water. While we're waiting for the water to boil, we're going to make some breadcrumbs. So, a little bit of olive oil in the pan. A little more. Garlic, a little red pepper flakes, and your breadcrumbs. Stir it up and let it toast until it's golden brown and delicious. Kill the heat, season with a bit of salt, use your microplane which you brought camping, add some lemon zest. If you didn't bring a microplane camping because you're not crazy, you can always just use some lemon pepper. Put it on a towel to dry. Wipe out your pan, now it's time to get to the clams. A little bit more oil into your pan. We're gonna prep our anchovy. If you didn't bring anchovy camping, you can use canned tuna, or even if you're really roughing it, add some fish sauce later. Chop it up nice and fine. Add the anchovy, some more red pepper flake, plenty more garlic. White wine from a gas station. And deglaze the pan. You're gonna have plenty of wine left over. It's a good problem to have. Let the wine come to a simmer and then reduce until there's almost no wine left. Most of the liquid has evaporated, so now we're ready to add our clams. See all the sand that they spat out? Gross. You don't want any of that. Add the clams to your pot. Cover your pot and wait for them to open. All right, pop the top after a couple minutes to see which clams have opened and start grabbing them, putting them to the side. There will be some that don't open. We'll give them a couple more minutes. If after a few more minutes you still have some clams that haven't opened, give them a tap. And if they still don't open, that means don't use them. Cut the heat to the clams. We're going to cook our pasta. Don't cut your pasta. Don't snap your pasta, just wait a little bit and the pasta will go into the pot. We're going to purposely undercook our pasta because we're going to finish it in the sauce. So what we're looking for here isn't a fully cooked pasta. We want it to be a little bit flexible, but mostly crunchy still. So grab a couple of cups of pasta water. We're going to use that later. I like this pot because check it out. It's also a strainer. Now we're going to take our pasta and add it to our clam sauce. Pasta water. Stir. And if you have tongs from your barbecue, you can use those too. Wait till the pasta's fully cooked and the sauce is glossy. All right, our sauce is starting to look pretty good here. Our noodles are looking a nice al dente. But if you feel like things are getting a little bit too dry, you can always just add a little bit more of your pasta water. Get yourself a brick of butter. We'll use half. So we got some parsley, but you could use, tarragon, basil if you really wanted to, some chive, then a little squeeze of your lemon. Kill the heat. That's looking pretty good. Mix in a handful of those breadcrumbs from earlier. Stir it up. Beautiful. And a little bit more breadcrumb on top. A bunch of clams. Pinch more red pepper. All right, we're all done. Let's see if it tastes any good. No, pretty good. Oh man, even better than a hot dog. So today we made glamping clams with linguine, and we used the Yuko 47-piece Cookit Camp Kitchen. It's got everything we need to cook and serve. Go to Yuko Gear now. Check it out.